Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. Back out here in Grandview. My amigos removed the floor yesterday, and I hired a couple of young men to pour this back, and just two of them did this and done a beautiful job. And let them introduce themselves to you. Go ahead.
Alex Costanza,
Alex Costanza,
Luke Mueller.
and Luke Mueller. These guys are two fine concrete finishers. Looks real good. I'll come back tomorrow when it's at 100% finished, and I'll shoot another video. I'm very proud of this. And finally, I got a couple of guys that I sub some concrete work to that I don't have to tear it out and do it over. King Piers, we want to do nothing but pier houses. Any concrete work I will give to these two young men. All right, kingpiers.com, 816-521-8915. Thank you.